Okay, so let's see here what's gonna benefit us when purchasing this kind of flashlight. So we have a flashlight. I like this mechanism. You can just zoom in and out. There's an LED on the side. It's very bright. And you have your USB port, which is you can charge your phone in emergency, and here is the port where you can recharge the battery of this light. So let's open and check it out. Let's see the size of the battery. Okay, it's pretty big. It's 5000 milliamp. The claim is super bright, and then we're gonna test that in a second. Let me put this back in. Another thing that I like about this light is that this is really high quality linear. Okay. And I believe this is a placeholder for your AAA battery. Yes, it is. So in case if you don't have or ran out of batteries in here and there's no way you can charge it, you can use the AAA battery. Put it in here and plug it into the flashlight. Here's a charger, and there is a cool strap, I think you can strap on the side of your belt, pocket strap. That. It's really thick, really cool. Good for like fishing or just walking in wood or whatever. But check it out. Different level. So if you hold it in, I think you're gonna activate the lights here. No, double click it, and then you alternate